But the Godrej consumer pressure has started. Let's just cut across to Adi Godrej.
Summary of our results. Thank you, Mr. Godrej. Good afternoon. We have sustained the strong growth momentum in our business in a challenging environment. In the last quarter, we have delivered industry-leading 23% growth in top line, with strong growth in both our domestic and our international businesses. We are strengthening our core positions in our core categories and have gained share. In India, we have grown at more than 2 times the FMCG industry growth rate. Along with delivering healthy growth in top line, we have also delivered very robust growth in our bottom line with a 20% growth in EBITDA. We have expanded our gross margins. In India in particular, our gross margins have expanded by over 500 basis points. We continue to focus on launching exciting innovations to increase penetration and to drive consumption in our core categories. In fact, almost 40% of our incremental growth now is coming from our new innovations. Our latest innovation is the Goodknight Fast Guard. Goodknight Fast Guard is a disruptive, paper-based mosquito repellent at a very affordable price of ₹1. We remain hopeful that as the economic environment improves, we will see better growth in the FMCG industry as well. We are very confident that with our disciplined strategy, our focus on agile execution and our exciting innovation pipeline, we will continue to deliver industry-leading returns. Thank you.
Okay, let's get in a guest at this point of time. 3 very important guests join us on the show. Sandeep